Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet. If you want to set up or start a new Google meeting, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by going to your web browser and go to meet.google.com into the address bar and make your search. Log into your Google Meet account if necessary, and once you are in, click on the New Meeting button. From the options displayed in the pop-up, if you choose to create a meeting for later, click on this first option. To start an instant meeting, click on Start an Instant Meeting. If you'd like to schedule a meeting on Google Calendar, click on Schedule in Google Calendar. Let me click on Schedule in Google Calendar option in order to schedule a meeting. Now, this will open up your Google Calendar. Go ahead and add in a title for your meeting that you'd like to schedule. After you're done typing in the title, go ahead and enter the further details that is needed for your Google meeting. Select the date when you'd like to schedule for your meeting, and then select the time on the next. Select the starting time and the ending time for your meeting. If you'd like to conduct the meeting all day, click on this all day option. If this is a recurring meeting, click on this drop down and select how often the meeting will repeat. If it is a one-time meeting, leave it to does not repeat and go ahead and enter your event details right beneath. Add the location for your meeting. If you'd like to add notifications, then click on this Add Notifications button and select either email or notifications in order to send the notifications to the attendees of the meeting. Go ahead and enter the rest of the information. Select the event color from the drop down. Select the visibility for your meeting, whether you'd like to keep it public or private, and then add in the description for your meeting into the last text box. Now, the next thing to do is add guests to your meeting. Simply enter the email address of the participants that you'd like to add on your meeting. You can add multiple participants at once. After you're done filling in all of the information, click on Save. Answer if you'd like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests right now or not. If you do, click Send. If you don't, click on Don't Send. And that is how you'll be able to schedule a meeting with the help of a Google Calendar on Google Meet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.